kids! Welcome to our Kids Learning channel. Today we will learn ABC from A to Z. Let's begin. A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for plant, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Today we learned the ABC letters. Thank you for learning with Kids Nursery. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.